fucked. I can see the road better through my phone than I can through the windshield. Way better. It's kind of fucked. Like literally, I could put my phone right here and actually, I think I would be able to see the road better. I can see the road better, much better. I can barely see the road with it.